Who's going first?
Doesn't bother me.
Jump on. This is my first time, eh?
Ever?
Yep.
Alright.
So I feel bad for you. God damn, you're fat, eh?
Oh god.
Oh shit. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, this feels wrong. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh, where's the road? Too dark around here. Oh, you fucking hell. Oh, shit.
It's so wobbly. Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh, shit. There's a dude asleep in there. Holy fuck.
Oh god. Shall I get off?
I can't do it. Oh shit. Feet gotta go down. Oh, get off, get off. Holy hell. Holy shit. Fuck.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Now it's a low rider.
You got more preload in the back of yours, I think.
Yeah.
Yours, mine sunk down a lot, eh? I don't know where to.
Just grab however you want.
I don't know how I want.
Oh god.
Oh fuck. Go slow, you mad.
It's so wobbly.
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay, here we go.
Oh Jesus, man, don't kill us.
Oh shit.
I don't know what to do. Man, I could not do this at 100 k's an hour, eh?
Oh, it's a lot more stable.
You reckon?
It's easier at normal speeds. Oh yeah.
Fuck. Oh, don't rev bomb this poor cunt, eh?
Hold on.
Fucking hell. Oh, fuck me. Fuck off. Oh, shit.
Stop it.
Nah. Oh, shit. Oh.